In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show downloads when they're done on Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a simple setting enabled that makes Brave alert you when a file finishes downloading, so you don't have to keep checking the progress bar or wonder if a download is complete. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're on any tab where you can see the main browser window and toolbar. This works the same whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and you don't need any extensions or extra tools. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Brave's main menu. This is where Brave keeps quick access to its tools, history, bookmarks, and, most importantly for us, its settings. From that menu, click on Settings. Brave will open the Settings page in a new tab. This page controls how the browser behaves, including privacy, appearance, and downloads. Don't worry, everything we're changing is safe and easy to undo later if you want. On the Settings page, find and click on Downloads. This section gathers all download-related options in one place, so you can decide how Brave handles files as they're saved to your computer. You'll see options related to your default download location and how Brave prompts you when saving files. Look for the setting labeled Show Downloads when they're done. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. When it's enabled, the switch typically moves to the right and may change color to indicate it's active. That's it. Setting enabled. From now on, whenever a file finishes downloading, Brave will clearly surface a completion notification. This might appear as a small pop-up or the downloads indicator becoming active, depending on your version of Brave. The idea is to make completed downloads obvious, so you can open the file right away or go straight to the folder without hunting for it. A few quick notes to help you get the most out of this. This setting doesn't automatically open your files. It simply alerts you that the download is done. If you often step away during downloads, this is especially helpful because you'll know at a glance when something is ready. If you ever find the notifications distracting, simply return to the same download section and toggle it off, and that's all you need to do. Open Brave, go to the three-line menu, head into Settings, choose Downloads, and turn on Show Downloads when they're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more informative download experience in Brave.